Yes, friends, you're looking live from downtown Charlotte, North Carolina, a day in life in the big city. It was a beautiful day today, temperature 95 degrees. Here we are. I'm not sure, the little bit of light that flashes through here, you're able to see the shenanigans going on here at the site of Saturday's summer plant sale. Yes, it's coming. 8 a.m. to 3 p.m. Saturday, July 22nd. Be there or be square. The sun just set here in Piedmont, North Carolina. A little bit of dampness has set in here as we approach 8:30 in the east. And as the dewdrops fall from overhead, that's the news from the big city, where all the women are strong, all the men good looking, and all the children just a little bit above average.